good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to another video of Dive in Trading. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, we're looking at the third update, I believe it is, of ClickStream Corporation, ticker symbol CLIS, CLIS. This is a company most of you already know that subscribe to the channel that I'm already invested in. I have a very small part of my portfolio in this company, and yeah, we can see if you haven't seen the videos, there's already 3 parts to this video already been played. So the most recent one being on the 22nd of February. So you can watch those, guys. This is really quite useful, quite helpful if you've just invested into this company to see these three parts. So let's make the fourth part. The fourth part is recently what's been happening, the news that we've been receiving, and prices. So let's go straight into it. Let's have a look. So price at the moment, if we have a look at the graph, it's not looking bad. It's not looking bad indeed. Especially bear in mind that the days or the weeks we've had recently has been pretty red, indeed. So let's have a look, guys. Price at the moment we're sat at 26 on closing. It was 26 cents. At the end we had a nice rise. Okay, right in the very last hours of the closing of the market on Friday, which is looking good at the moment for the week ahead. So we'll have to wait to see how this pans out. Having said that, drawing these support and resistance lines, we can see that this resistance, this line down here, looks like it's breaking. It hasn't broke. We've got a wick there, which means it's tested. So we really have to keep an eye on that. So we should see either a breakage of this resistance to go up to the next support level, which will probably be around about 34 cents as it's marked in the line here. And then if we don't and we see it coming down, we should see it back down to the 20 cents. Okay, so this is what we need to be keeping an eye on. Is now a good time to buy? Yes, this is actually probably just over the price I initially bought. So I actually bought around about 19 cents, I think it was. Yeah, around about here it was. So 19 cents on. I actually bought on the support level here. So yeah, I would see how this is going to pan out first. If it breaks through, we see the break on this. So if it goes through, then it's probably a good time to buy. If it doesn't, wait for the drop and then buy on the dip. Okay, so that's from my point of view. So let's have a look at a little bit about the news, what's been happening. News. Now, in terms of news, on the 3rd of March, they announced that they're doing their soft launch in the UK, Brazil, South Korea, Italy, and Germany on the 15th of March. Okay, so this is the HeyPal app. We know that they have 2 main apps. So the first one we know about, and I've actually downloaded it. It's okay, it's not bad. I think it's more for the American market. It's not so much for for example, the Spanish market. You can go in. I'm not too impressive with it, to be honest. I'm not a big fan of it. This is what I really am excited about. Is this one? Is HeyPal. HeyPal, I think, is really what's going to make this company the next social media app for 2021. So this is why I'm excited. This is why I'm investing in this company. So yeah, so let's cut that. We've already talked about that, but let's have a look at the news. So this is good. What's been happening so far at the moment or recently is the updates on the users. Okay, so now they have in the WinQuik, for example, WinQuik now has 20,000 unique users. So though I don't like it, it looks like there is a strong interest in this. Probably because I'm not too involved in it. Bear in mind that 2:30 in the morning is when the live events come on, and of course 2:30, as in the morning Spanish time. So obviously I'm not up at 2:30 to be playing these games. But if you're in the States, then obviously WinQuik could be interesting. Because bear in mind for WinQuik, you don't have to put any money down, so it's free and you can win money. So it's quite appealing, and it has quite a few stars at the moment. So one of them is Pooch, an actor called Pooch Hall, who is hosting these live games. So they use these celebrities, not massive celebrities, the celebrities to help them move this mark ahead. So that's WinQuik. So that's good. So that's a 33% increase in just the past 2 weeks. So yeah, so good. So going in the right direction. Okay, so that though I'm not a big fan of WinQuik, going in the right direction, so it's good. It's better that they go in the right direction. Hey pal, we just have to keep an eye out. We'll have to keep an eye out. Hopefully this week we'll have more news or more updates on Hey pal to see how it's panning out. From what I've seen in social media, is looking quite promising. I've seen a lot of positive comments about it. It's quite difficult to judge, test, because a lot of the comments out there could be robots. So this is a sort of it's quite difficult. So I haven't had any honest opinions on HeyPal. Guys, if you're out there and you're not a robot, you have you're using HeyPal, let me know. I would love to know to see how the app's going along. It sounds like it's going good, so that's promising. Let's have a look at the next bit of news, which is probably quite important, which a lot of people have been asking about. This is the main reason why I'm doing this video. Is the offering. So we can have a look at the offering. That was the other day on the 4th of March. Okay, so there was an offering of $5 million in equity. Now, this in the short term, in general, is bad for in other words, the price drops. Okay, so uh, having said that, in the long term, it's good. What it means when there's an offering like this, it just simply means that the company is trying to raise more money to invest to move forward. So this is good from my point of view. Again, you have your point of view. You may disagree. So that's yeah. So and they've actually gone into talking about this. They've gone into having a look at this. If we go scroll right down, we can have a look at this offering. So here it is. So out of those 5 million, okay, they're planning to put 1.6 million for acquisition, 128,000 for services provided, 5 million for cash, 1 point something for settlement of debt, over 1 million. Now this for me, I'm going to be honest with you, and as an investor, this is appealing to me. A debt. I like to see companies with no debt. Now, if they're clearing their debt, this is good. This is normally a sign. This is a good sign, clearing debt. This is also what excites me as well. Acquisition. What's going to happen? This is going to happen. Does it mean that they're looking to take on another third app? Another they have. I don't know. This is exciting. So definitely worth it. Definitely worth the excitement and worth investment. And when they're spending money like that, this again in the short term should, in theory, bring prices down. Though we have seen a pop up in the price towards the end of the week. So yeah, I'm excited about this, guys, and I hope you are too. Guys, if you've liked this video, make sure you give me a comments in the comment down below. Let me hear you what you have to say about this company. I'd love to hear what people have to say about this company and about the app if they've used the apps, any of the apps, whether it be WinQuik or HeyPal. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a big like. That really helps the YouTube algorithm, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching, and speak to you soon. Bye bye now.